So this is a review of 2018 into 19 wiring here. Really not a lot of changes. I had a box from there with the sensor connected to here. Lines. I could have done a little bit of better job of having the spacing not so far out. And the same thing for these. I had them think every other 6 row. And notice the wind blew them back up again. I really got to find some type of weights for them. But other than that, it's basically exactly the same until we get about over here. So the line continues. And then at the end there, on the other side, it then connects and down to the bushes in front. So see the line down there, down to the bushes here. And one line spits off to the tree up front with Dad's lights. But what is different is over here I put this on a completely different circuit for the trees and the stuff around. So that's all new, and in the back I'll show you here in a bit.